Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have a spring makeup tutorial for you guys. I decided to keep the look very peachy, so I used a lot of orange tones, and yeah, this is the look that I created. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by first applying my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is what it looks like. I am in love with this primer, you guys. It is so amazing. It makes sure that all your makeup stays in place all day and your makeup doesn't move or melt, and it's perfect for spring and summer especially, so that's why I'm using this today. Sorry if the lighting keeps going in and out. I am using natural light, so that's probably why I'm gonna go in and out of lighting. There you go, I just went out of lighting. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the Rose Water and Green Tea one. This is what it looks like. So this is just going to hydrate my face and give me a nice glow. So next I'm going to jump right into my color correcting routine, and I'm going to be grabbing my MAC Prep and Prime. This is the Peach Lustre color correcting stick, and this is what it looks like. You guys have seen this in every single one of my videos. This is just a color corrector to help me deal with the discoloration that's on my face. And just to top that off, I'm going to go ahead in and use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in light medium sand, and I'm going to put this over top of the areas that I color correct, just so that everything looks even and no orange color corrector peeks through when I go ahead in with foundation. So what I like to do is just use my finger and soften out the orange so that it's not so harsh. And this way I can really make sure that I get all the areas that I want to correct. And to blend this all in, I'm going to be using this beauty blender that I got from Amazon. You guys, I have been struggling to find like really good affordable beauty blenders, and I finally found one. It's definitely one of my current favorites. I'm going to be talking to you guys more about it when I do another favorites video, but yeah, I'm obsessed, you guys. I think I got a pack of like maybe 6 of them for like $13, and that's such a good deal. It's like cheaper than one beauty blender from Sephora. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead in and blend all this out. So for foundation today, I'm going to be going ahead in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I'm going to be doing like a peachy toned makeup look today for the spring, so I thought it would only be fitted to use my Peach Perfect foundation. So I'm going to be going ahead and using Natural Beige. Usually I mix it with a lighter shade. I think it's called light beige. Yeah, light beige, but because I have a tan going on right now, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use Natural Beige, which is the darker shade. So I'm gonna go ahead in and apply this all over my face. So next I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to be using the Brow Benefit in the shade 04. So now I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes. I'm going to be grabbing the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade called Eden right here, which is a very nice peachy corally light color. So next, using the same color and the same brush, I'm going to start smoking out the outer portion of my eyes and creating an outer V. So next I'm going to be grabbing the shade Blazing, which is a very nice orange, warm orange color. This is what it looks like, and using the same brush, I'm just going to start defining the outer corners of my eyes. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Tarte Clay Play Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the highlight shade called Timber, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying this onto my lids. Now what I'm doing is I'm just going back in with this same Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to just clean it up, wipe away any eyeshadow that might be on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the edges. Now I'm just going ahead in with my Morphe M124 flat brush, and I'm just defining the area that I added this shimmer, just to make sure I'm happy with it. So next I'm going to go ahead in with Amber from the Huda Beauty palette. It's a very nice dusty orange color. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to apply this onto the outer corners of my eyes just to define the eyes a bit more. So now what I'm doing is I'm just blending everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines. So now I'm going to just take a break from the eyes, and I'm going to go ahead in and finish up with my face. I'm going to be grabbing the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the shade Light Medium Neutral. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead in and conceal my under eyes. I'm going to do a bit of a reverse nose contour, so apply any additional concealer that's on the sponge onto the sides of my nose. And whatever excess I have left after that, just going to apply some on my chin and on the center of my forehead and just a bit down my nose. just to brighten up the face a bit more. And just to set everything in place, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder in the shade Pound Cake. And don't forget to bake the sides of your nose as well. Just a little around the mouth and on the forehead. So while everything is baking, I'm going to go ahead and quickly do my eyeliner. Now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe away all the excess translucent powder. So I just went ahead and put on some lashes. I put on the Veleasha Faux Mink lashes. I grabbed these from Amazon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab the Huda Beauty palette once again, and I'm just going to grab the shade Amber, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and smoke that onto my lower lash line. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara, and I'm going to be putting the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lashes as well as on my actual lashes, just to make sure that they're nice and combined with the falsies. So for contour, I'm going to be grabbing my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using this new Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. This is what it looks like. And it is so gorgeous, you guys. It is called Keep It Peachy. It's one of their new shades, and I'm currently obsessed with this color. So I'm just gonna grab my blush brush if I can find it. How gorgeous is this blush? I'm obsessed. And for highlight, I'm going to be grabbing my Becca Champagne Pop highlight. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to be using my Morphe M501 brush to apply this. Just a little bit on the nose and a little bit on the Cupid's bow. And for lips, I'm going to be going ahead and using this Melted Matte Lipstick, liquid lipstick by Too Faced, and it's called Gingerbread Man. This is what it looks like. It is a very nice orangey toned lipstick, and I think it's going to go so well with this makeup look. But I think to top it off, I might just go ahead and add some of the Maybelline Amazonian Matte Ink lipstick. This is what it looks like. So I'll go ahead in with this, and I'll see if I like the fact that everything is very orange. If not, I will change up the lip color. Yo, this smells so good. It smells just like gingerbread. Alright, so I like the orange lipstick, but I do want to kind of make it more pinky toned. I'm not really digging the bright orange, although it is gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over top of this lipstick with the Maybelline New York matte ink lipstick in the shade Amazonian, and hopefully this can tone it down a bit. Alright guys, so that concludes the end of my makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more tutorials or more videos, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. And of course, if you guys have suggestions on videos that you would like me to do or any makeup tutorial that you would like me to do, then make sure to comment down below and let me know. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.